In this video, we will talk about insert into select statement. The purpose of insert into select statement is to fetch the records using select query and to put the result set into a new table. Now, I want to create another table from this employees table data only. In that table, I want to put all of the records from this table only where the hire date is either equal to or greater than 1 January 1995. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. So first of all, I have to create a new table for it. Okay, I can create a new table with the same columns and the same structure as the employees table with a single line query, and that is create table, and then here we write the name of the table, employees subset, and here we make use of like operator, and here I specify the name of the table employees similar to which I want the structure of the new table. Okay, so this will create a new table employees underscore subset with a similar structure as employees table. Let me run this query. So here you see it created a new table with the same columns and the same structure. Okay, now I'll go to SQL editor and now I write insert into select statement. So here I write insert into and then the new table name, that is employee underscore subset, and here I write the select statement of which result set I want to put into the new table employees underscore subset. So here I will write select star from employees, and then I will write where clause where hire underscore date is greater than or equal to 1995-0101. Okay, in the same format as we have specified in the table structure. So let me run this query. So you see this says 34,040 rows inserted. Okay, so let me check the employees underscore subset table. Now you see this table contains 34,040 inserted rows. Here I will sort the hire date column in descending order, and you can see the first employee in this table is now having the value for the hire underscore date column 1 January 1995. So that's how you can make use of insert into select statement to create new tables with the existing data.